Give yourselves a round of applause, network marketing professionals.
I am damn proud to be a professional network marketer.
So many people are afraid to actually ask for what they want.
I was told I couldn't do it. Do you think that inspired me to go do it or not do it? Am I going to run away?
I am begging you to fight through the fear.
I wish I had been the kind of person that stopped thinking and started doing.
Do not let that which you cannot do interfere with that you can do.
The only thing that will stop you is a lack of imagination and the lack of willingness to face your fear.
This success didn't come without hard work.
There's a hero inside of all of you.
See, here's the thing I want you to understand. Bad leaders are destroyed by crisis. Good leaders survive crisis. Great leaders are improved by crisis. Great leaders are ready for the moment.
And leaders are the ones that build the dream inside themselves so strong that you run the last lap.
We can start a foundation of mental toughness.
Y'all, this is a tough business. It takes courage.
In my opinion, what the secret to living is giving. Being able to reach outside of yourself.
The heart and fuel of this profession is gratitude.
What stands in the way becomes the way. What stands in the way becomes the way.
What I found is the higher your energy, the greater the execution. Energy is everything. Low energy, low performance. High energy, high performance. It's all about being resourceful. Creativity, love, joy, connection, determination. Those are the ultimate resources. With those, you can get every other resource.
I don't think you're a true entrepreneur unless you're willing to accept that you're going to fall on your face occasionally. If you do fall flat on your face, just pick yourself up, try again. Surround yourself with brilliant people. A good entrepreneur tries to find better people than themselves.
The only thing keeping you from achieving what you want is the story you keep telling yourself. I'm going to do it later. I'm going to do it soon. I'm not old enough. When I have more money. Whatever your story is, divorce your story of limitation and marry the truth of your true capability. If you come up with a new story, you'll have a new life. Emily, what did you fail at and why?
Pursuing a relationship with my dad.
Is he still alive?
He is, yeah.
Well, then you can still succeed. So tell me, what was your expectation for your father that wasn't met?
I just wanted him to be around, come to my games, be there for me, cheer me on.
So can I ask you a question? Is it possible your father totally loves you? Is it more than possible? Is it probable?
Yes.
Is it true that he loves you?
Yes.
Then I just want you to know, this is what we do to ourselves. We fail because we come up with a story, and the story just isn't true, but we live the story.
Before I started in network marketing, I was actually in the corporate world.
I was doing retail.
I was a stay-at-home mom.
I was a CPA.
And I'm a civil engineer.
My background's in the printing industry. I worked for my dad growing up.
You have the power inside of you right now. Be stronger in your beliefs than they are in their beliefs.
You just can't beat someone who never gives up.
You guys want to know why people quit? They don't have pride in what they do. But when you have a bigger purpose of why you're doing what you're doing and you want to honor the sacrifices that others are making for you, there's nothing that's going to stop you in the face of adversity.
You will attract more people when you paint an honest picture.
Find a way to step into your potential. Who's ready for a breakthrough? Say aye.
I know for some of you it was not easy. I know that there were some sacrifices that you had to make.
It's a momentum-based business.
I know the power of building this team because that is the true gift of this profession.
Don't just get excited about where you're going, but get excited about where you are right now.
I'm going to seize my destiny. I'm going to set the pace. I'm going to set the tone.
Until you learn how to think like an entrepreneur, not like an employee.
You got to go 100%.
Imagine something greater. Imagine something more powerful. Imagine something spectacular. Imagine a breakthrough for you. What would be a number that would be a breakthrough for you?
That I'm gonna face my fears. I'm gonna step out of my comfort zone.
Your dreams, how you're gonna get there is always different than the way you plan it.
The winner is a dreamer, and they never, ever
quit. Win in this industry. Stop teaching people how to work and start teaching them how to win.
Every one of you is a coach. Every one of you is a leader. Every one of you is a champion. Who's with me on this? Are you with me?